Introverts, this is you, right? This is you. You're sitting there, you're having the time of your life, and people that come up to you and say, "What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you having fun? Are you sure?" And you're like, "I'm happy." All right, so it seems like there's a disconnection here, a communication issue. My name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you have more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. Now, right here, what I see the disconnection is that your friends do not understand what it means for you to enjoy things. They don't know what it looks like for you to enjoy things. And because what you do doesn't look like what other people do when they enjoy things, it would be nice to give them a heads up to help them understand how you show up. This is all I'm saying about you introverts. We love you. Please let us know what's going on inside your heads.